Let's continue to turn up, okay? Nothing is going to stop us, and nothing is stopping us. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a little mini get ready with me featuring my lit Afrobeat playlist. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see this video, of course, stay tuned. But before we get into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And if you want to see more videos from us on this channel, we do hair videos, makeup videos, fashion videos, and lifestyle videos. So make sure you check them out after this video. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this lit get ready with me. Okay, so we're gonna get into this video. As you can see, I already have my base done just because I wanted to, do it, and I'm just going to be doing my eyes, and I thought I would share with you guys some of my lit Afro beats. Just, I've been wanting to do this for a long time, so let's get to it. If you know, you know. See, this is why I usually listen to music, but this is why it takes me so much longer because okay, so y'all knew I had to start this off with this song because this is the African anthem. Like, I couldn't leave that out, So yeah, that's the first song. This is exactly why I don't I'm like so lost because I feel like when I listen to music and do my makeup at the same time, I just get distracted because all I want to do is dance. But it's okay, we'll move on. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the next song, and don't worry guys, I'll have the song names on the screen for you guys. If you like any of them, you can just search them up and download them. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, uh-huh. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, uh-huh. I know contact. Okay, so moving on to the next song. I feel Burna Boy, this song by Burna Boy is always a vibe, like wherever you are. But we're gonna move on to the next song. Spicy, feisty. Ooh, I think she like me. My baby got the pepper, pepper, pepper me, pepper me. Pepper, pepper me, pepper me. Take her to the room. I take her to the room for some paka boom boom. She take me for brown too, like when. Cheers. Joe boy ponte. I don't wanna hear this. I don't wanna hear say you did with another one. Let's see with another one. Nobody, nobody, nobody. This song is a low-key a vibe. Like, I remember when this first came out. Like, this is my song. This one is a banger, like. I did for your bum. Bitty bum bum, bitty bum bum. Baby, bitty bum bum, bitty bum bum. Baby girl, true body. Hey. Ooh, guys, this is a banger. You Hey. Like, this was my song all summer. You guys don't even understand. Yo peba pesayo, yo peba pesayo, yo peba pesayo. Ooh. See, I'm so like focused on the song that I wasn't even paying attention to the fact that my eyeshadow was falling. That's what this song does to me. Hey. Yeah, this song definitely hits like no other. Ooh, I have black like everywhere. Oh my god. I need to stop focusing so much on the song. Damn, this eyeshadow really like just fell everywhere. Oh my god, guys. So I don't know if you guys can see, but I was so focused on the music. Look at, I have this black patch because the eyeshadow was like over here falling. So I need to try and like get that out because I keep forgetting this black that I'm using. It like actually falls a lot. And I was so focused that I wasn't paying attention and I smudged it all on my cheek. Good job, Aisa. Good job. See, this is why I can't like listen too much like to music because then I just get carried away and this type of stuff happens. Great. Just like messing up my whole look. But it's okay. We'll figure out a way to like remove it without having to like redo my entire makeup. I thought usually like when I just, but because this eyeshadow is black, like I said, it just, I'm so pissed, guys, and I was having such a good time, man. These things always have to happen to me. But anyways, we'll continue on with the music. Okay, so I know my face looks weird right now, but we move. I put some powder just to like help like try and lift it up a little bit. So let me finish off my makeup and then we can move on and try and fix this area. But yeah, let's move on to the next song. Let's continue to turn up, okay? Nothing is going to stop us and nothing is stopping us. So I'm pretty much almost done with the look. So I'll give you guys one more song while I apply my lashes. Hopefully I don't mess up my lashes because that is so hard to do. I'll try and be like as calm as possible, but sometimes when I'm listening to music, it's too hard. So yeah, let's get into it. Pamio, 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 pum pum. Daddy-o, Daddy-o, time, Pamio. Baby, don't waste my time. Oh, whoa, I was so off. Okay, focus. Go shawty. I feel like this song is such a chill song, but it's like really like good, you know? So guys, that is all for today. This is basically the look, the final look. I did add some gloss on my lips just to like spice it up a little bit. But yeah, basically I didn't share like too many songs with you guys, but I can definitely do a part 2 just because I listen to like so many good Afro beats that it's hard to share them all in one video, obviously. So definitely let me know in the comment section down below if you want to see a part 2 to this video, and I'd be glad to do it because I love my Afro beats, okay? Like I be listening to like so much. So definitely comment that down below and I can bring that to you guys, and it can be a bit longer too. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely comment that down below, give this video a like, and obviously subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. If you want to see more videos like these or any other video on our channel, definitely subscribe and join the family. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!
She be mine on level. She did on level. She be mine on level. Say she did on level.